Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Emil here, your go-to guide for everything EdTech and AI. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer complexity of your learning management system? Or wondered why, despite the myriad of features, you only ever use a fraction of them? Well, you're not alone. And today we're diving into how AI-powered LMS technology is transforming this landscape, making it so intuitive that in the future, you'll barely need to learn how to use the learning management system at all. Intrigued? Let's get to it. Did you know that the average user only touches between 5 and 12% of the features available in Microsoft Word? And this is Word, a product that most of us have been using all our lives. Now imagine the complexity of a learning management system. How much of the whistles and bells are you letting go to waste? And it's not your fault. Traditionally, data front-end systems like Cornerstone, for instance, often are so opaque that they require back-end support just to upload a new e-learning course. I'm not joking. It's like using Morse code to steer a car. I've been working in learning management system design since 2003. We've crafted a Netflix-style interface even before Netflix became a household name. This makes our system incredibly intuitive for both learners and management users. But as LMS platforms become more sophisticated, the pressure grows on users to learn and adapt to compensate. The iPod, as a beautifully designed product from a usability point of view, is a good example. It did have to sacrifice bells and whistles, albeit to great effect. Sure, there's a time where more functionality has to mean more complexity, regardless of the system design, thereby ruining the neat design of the iPod. Learning management system users demand knobs and whistles. We receive tenders, often sometimes with over 400 different feature requests. So what is the solution? Enter AI. At OpenELMS, we've embedded AI in ways that fundamentally change user interaction. Usability is at the forefront. Think of AI as your personal assistant, simplifying complex tasks like setting up configurations, creating forms, and generating management information reports, all through a conversational interface. Imagine asking your learning management system to handle a task, and it's done instantly, without you ever leaving the front screen. Let's take generating a progress review form for an example. How often should it be set, the form? Which fields should be accessed by the learner and which by the manager? Should the forms carry forward data from previous work? Who needs to sign it off? Are any additional forms needed to be added to the workflow? As you can see, it very quickly gets complicated. Now, by using AI, we can simply ask the user what they want. A review form. The AI will work out who should sign it, what each person should see, and present the solution to the user for approval, making tweaks as a result of that conversation. This means that the interface design becomes almost irrelevant for most users. Tasks simply get done efficiently because AI acts as the interpreter and the operator, allowing you to focus on implementation and strategy. Learning and forms are produced, reports are made, and users are followed up. This system just works as you want it to because you've had the conversation. We are seeing systems like OpenClaw and Claude Cowork take the reins over from the operator. A front-end AI does something similar in a learning management system, but it guides you in the right direction, drawing you to functionality you need when you need it. So back to our initial question. Will we ever need to learn how to use a learning management system or computer system ever again? With AI powering your LMS, the answer is increasingly leaning towards no. Imagine the possibilities. More time for strategic thinking, less time mired in technicalities. So you want to see this in action? Get in touch with us. Our team is not just about technology, we're about partnerships. We work closely with sectors like local government, emergency services, healthcare, and higher education, ensuring compliance and continuous improvement through our AI-powered solutions. If you found this insight helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more content on how AI and innovative design are reshaping workplace learning. And of course, if you're ready to see how OpenELMS can transform your L&D function, click the link in the description for a free demo. Let's make learning simpler together. Many thanks.